Good morning, YouTube viewers. This is Steve with AZ Blade Broker with yet another Ganzo knife review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the g745-745-2wd. So pretty much the same as the other 745-2s that I have in carbon fiber, only these have wood scales. Pretty sure they're calling this some sort of an ebony wood. It almost looks like a Bacote to me, but okay, we'll call it ebony for now. That's what they say it is. But yeah, other than that, it's exactly the same knife. We can quickly go over the reviews on this one as well, in case you haven't seen that video. Dimensions here on this knife. It has 3 3/4 inch blade. It is 8.5 inches overall. The weight on this one is 4.5 ounces, 128 grams. Like the other one, you know, this is a really good design. It has a pretty good well-defined finger choil here. It's an axis lock. Tip up, left to right pocket clip design. Kind of a coffin shape into the knife. All of our knives that we're getting these days seem to be this newer Firebird logo on them. I'm not sure what that really means, other than they're trying to rebrand it or do something a little different. I am kind of noticing that every time I get a batch of these, the action seems to be a little bit better. Sometimes they're a little stiff when you get them, or they got a little bit of a grind to them and you got to work them a little bit. I've opened 2 or 3 of these so far, as well as some of the other ones I got yesterday, and everything, action on everything just seems to be better and better. Nice. Good finger choil all the way from here to here on the back side of the blade. Got almost, or not choils, excuse me, jimping. So almost 1 3/4 inches of jimping across from the spine down the frame. Well, that's my quick look at the 745-2wd. We are a Ganzo dealer here in the United States. We have the fastest shipping available on eBay. We ship same or next day. And our eBay handle is surplus-steve11, and we have the same handle for the automatic Ganzos on Gunbroker. Check us out. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos. We try to come up with at least a couple of new models every week of the Ganzos. We will post reviews and specifications on them on YouTube when we get them. Thank you.